What's up guys, Ivan here. So this is my video about the Bentley Bentayga Speed 2019, and this year is Bentley anniversary, 100 years of Bentley. So this car brand exists for 100 years, as you can see on the Bentley front emblem. So this is the fastest SUV in terms of top speed. So it tops the Lamborghini Urus in 1 kilometer an hour more in top speed. So this car has 306 kilometers per hour instead of 305 for the Urus. So this is the fastest SUV. It doesn't top it by much, but yeah, this is a record. As you can see, these are the options on this particular car, Bentayga Speed. So it has a lot of things inside, it's fully loaded, and it has beautiful orange flame color. It looks very interesting and very beautiful. So B went on the front fender like a Bentley, and you can see 22 inches alloy wheels, characteristic Bentley grille, Bentley logo in the middle of the alloy cap, in the middle of the wheel cap. So these are the 22-inch speed alloy wheels, and this car has a more horsepower than the regular Bentayga. So this car has 635 PS or 626 brake horsepower, 467 kilowatts, and maximum torque of 664 pounds-feet of torque, or 900 Newton meters. So this has a little bit more power than the normal Bentayga, 26 brake horsepower and 27 PS more. The Newton meters are the same. So in the back you can see the new rear spoiler on the door lid. It's quite huge in person, but yeah, it needs to keep the car down during the top speed. So the car has more downforce and it's more planted to the road. So this car can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers in just 4.1 seconds and to 60 miles per hour in 4 seconds. So these are the tires, Pirelli P0 285 40 22 inch for the maximum grip. And this car has carbon ceramic brakes. So let's take a look inside of the car. So for the first time, the Bentayga has an Alcantara inside, so it has more sporty feeling because Alcantara is used in sporty cars. So this is diamond quilted stitching, as you can see. So for the Bentayga Speed, there is difference with Alcantara and leather. Also you have stitching, the naming Speed instead of the Bentley logo. And it looks great. You can customize the interior how you want with the colors. You can have a two-tone interior like this with different colors. And you can also have the speed writing in the contrasting color stitching. A lot of carbon fiber in the interior of the Bentayga Speed, as you can see. Really the car looks really premium. So at the rear you have a little folding table outside with the carbon decor, and I try to open it like few times and it's really solid and really thick, so I like it. You can put there like a tablet or something. This is little control for the back passengers, so you can control there like a climate control, entertainment system, settings. So yeah, this is pretty cool, and you can even take it out from that stand. Here you can use this as a storage to put some things there. You have two cup holders in the armrest, and again the speed embroidery, big panoramic roof, so a lot of light can go in the inside of the car. So the sound system for the Bentayga is Naim for Bentley. Now let's take a look at the front of the car. You can personalize this car in many ways, so this has like endless options. So again, Alcantara in the door trim with the contrasting colors. You have a Naim for Bentley, 100 years for Bentley, and the Speed name on the door trim. So you have your automatic seats here, controls for the seats, so you can move them around. And again the Speed embroidery, and Alcantara in the middle, and on the outside quilted diamond stitching on the leather, two-tone leather, black and white. So carbon decor on the front dash with Speed writing. In the glove compartment you have some SD cards slots and quite large compartment for anything like drinks or some documents. So let's step inside the cabin. In the front panel you can see different driving modes. You can lift the car or lower the car. You have a Bentley driving mode, Sport, Comfort, Custom, and then off-road modes. So in the middle you can see the automatic gearbox lever and infotainment system. So this car also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And also this car has a private e-call for the first response in an event of an emergency. So in the middle of the dashboard you have a Breitling watch, and Breitling and Bentley are the longest term cooperation between the watchmaker and the brand. Now let's take a look at the steering wheel a little bit. So you have your instrument cluster and two-tone steering wheel with Alcantara and leather. So on the top you can see the SOS private e-call button in case of the emergency. Then you can close and open the sunroof, the panoramic roof. And this button, I'm not sure if the door should close itself or you need to have an engine running or the ignition on, but I tried it 2 times and the door didn't close, so I'm not sure actually. Those are the other buttons for the lights. So you have a sun visor in Alcantara with a cosmetic mirror, and you have actually 2 sun visors, as it's quite often in the premium cars. So yeah, here is it, and large panoramic roof. So everything looks really premium. You have 2 cup holders, and this is a stick for the automatic gearbox. These are the controls for the AC and for the seat heating. You have a little display in the middle of the instrument cluster with the Bentley logo, and on the steering wheel you can adjust your calls volume. So the steering wheel feels nice to the touch and to hold, and it's quite thick, so that's great. And this is the Speed writing on the front decor dashboard. This is the vent. So let's take a look in the boot space of this car. The door lid is of course automatic, and you can lower it for the heavy objects, as I did it for this video. So the Bentayga's boot is 430 liters. It's not the biggest, but it's quite wide, so I think you can put there some duffel bags, suitcases and trolleys with no problem. As you can see, there is a spare in case you have a puncture. So you can lower the car with these buttons, as you can see, and put it back up. So that's great. You have little net for some things and 12-volt socket on the left. And the material in the boot is really nice and premium. So with the retracted load cover, Bentayga boot grows to 590 liters. So that's a better stat. So you can close it with the button. One more look at the car. So you can see immediately this is a Bentayga, but with these little details like the special 10-spoke wheels and other bits and pieces, you can see immediately this is different type of the Bentayga, that this is a Speed version of the Bentayga. And if you turn on the rear lights, you can see the B, like a Bentley logo, in the rear tail lamps and oval exhaust pipes. Let me know in the comment section down below if you like this car and if you like this orange flame color. So guys, if you like this video, then share it with your friends. It's much appreciated and helps the channel to grow. Thanks guys for your support. Give this video a like if you liked it, and if you like my content, then please subscribe. And yeah guys, that's it, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Have a great day.